Look what I'm going to make today. Macaroni and cheeseburgers. Using macaroni and cheese, a hamburger, and more cheese in the back there. I have a pound of ground beef here, 9 ounces of Velveeta pre-made bacon mac and cheese, and 2 onion rolls. That's going to be good. You could use leftover macaroni and cheese if you have it laying around, but this is pre-made. I don't have to boil water or anything. I'm going to just mix it in with my meat. Let me show you how. You going to like it? I think I'm going to like it. I'm going to plop my pound of meat in a nice mixing bowl. Those are my Liquid Gold Velveeta cheese balls. Bacon mac and cheese. Now I can heat this up. There's an extra cheesy pouch here. Let's see what's going on. Could heat it up, but oh, look at the bacon in there, see? I'm just gonna put that right in there. It smells good. Yeah, it smells bacony. I'm not gonna heat it up because it's gonna get cooked with the hamburger. And I'm gonna save this for near the end. So, let's start mixing. This is a pound. I'm going to make 2 burgers out of this. I don't want to destroy my macaroni too bad, so let's get it inside there. Okay, let's mix it up. Macaroni cheeseburgers. Let me turn on this frying pan over here. Come on over here. We got one made up, see? It's going to be a big hamburger. Hoping it don't shrink too much. Whoa, alright. Let's get the other half in there. Number 2. Oh, this smells good. I think that one's a little bigger. That's mine. They're both mine. I smell the bacon in there already. Alright, let's get that a few minutes. I'm going to put a lid on that so it's cooked pretty good inside. Oh boy. Did you ever think of this? Me neither. Oh yes, I did. Just now. Let's look at it. Oh boy, they look good. Try to turn it over, alright? Careful. Whoa. Woo! Gonna be a big burger. I should have got bigger buns, huh? Let that go a little more. Cover it with a bunch of cheese now. This is a mozzarella blend. Blend of mozzarella, provolone, parmesan, and Mammana. Get real cheesy. Yeah. Macaroni and cheeseburger. Cover that up a little bit. Till it melts. Ready for the unveiling. Look at that. Oh, this is the better one here. Let's focus on this guy. Well, I'm going to finish it off with that cheesy mix that came with it. Some over here. Ooh. That's it. Mac and cheeseburger. Put that on a bun. Oh, get on the bun. Come here. Get on the bun. Take the big one. Oh, that look good, huh? Now you can add anything you want on top of this. I was thinking about putting mayonnaise on the bottom or pickles on top or ketchup or whatever, but I'm gonna try it just like that. How about you? Nice. Half pounder. Take a bite. That's macaroni and cheeseburger. Remember? Create something like this. Something you like, put it in there. I don't know, put spaghetti in there, put Captain Crunch in there, I don't know. I taste the bacon a lot too. Bacon mac and cheese, remember? That's really good. There's macaroni in there. I taste it good. Almost tastes like it's inside of a big meatball. Oh, all right. So try something like this, or just enjoy watching me. Look at it. It's so good. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you soon, all right? Please subscribe. I'm gonna think up something good for tomorrow. Okay? What's today already? I don't even know. Okay. Days go so quick. All right, have a nice day or night, and try this macaroni and cheeseburger. It's in there. It's so good. There you go.